Wait, what the fuck?
It's Cornell.
Hello.
Open your door.
Open your door.
Before I get you guys prepping and masking all these edges around here, so then we can sand it, we don't have to worry about scratch marks and shit, you know.
Day one progress, Cornell. Kelly. All masked up. Got some primer on. Front's nice and masked. Connor masked the door shut, but we gotta open the fuel cap. Fuck, it's Mission Impossible.
Tom Cruise at the point.
Yeah. We're good. All your shit comes out your mouth.
You're funny, man.
Fuck! That's fucking sick. What the fuck? No way.
Come on, Vic.
Oh.
Does it roll a lot? I'd like to try it.
Oh yeah, fuck.
Fucking hell. Wait, what the fuck? You hear the springs, mate?
Yeah. The shock.
Yeah.
Yeah, 20k on.
Baby.
It's good enough.
That's a good intro.
That'll do. Alright, mate.
Yes, boss.
What we're here to do. Basically, he's selling it. He needs a respray because he's got a bunch of stone chips and we want to increase the value. So we're going to respray it the original colour. It's currently in Callum's unit.
Yeah, we're spraying it, us three.
We're not spraying it, Callum's spraying it. It's being primed as we speak, it's been sanded down.
We've masked. Sanded. Hopefully get the spray done tomorrow. This is the second day.
This is day 2, yeah.
Yeah.
Intro, do you want to get any intro?
Get the intro, yeah, fuck
Yeah.
Put your head in,
around, mate.
Put your head in.
Put your head in the...
Oh.
You go. Here he is. It's the man spraying the whip.
Yeah, it's going
Just saying it's going good.
Yeah, just finished the front wing.
Yeah.
Looking pretty good now, to be fair.
Nice.
It's just like the previous respray, really.
Fuck is
Some
that?
flaky bits on it,
Yeah.
but yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah, man.
100%. Part 2 spraying and rolling out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the end of part 1.
That's the outro,
Yeah.
lads.
It's been far too long to tell. Maybe I don't really care to know. Maybe I'm okay here in this yellow haze. Just wanna see which way the wind blows and get my caution swept away with it, with no elastic trace. Doesn't matter what state you're in, it's not too late.
See if Tom puts that in. Okay, so we're going to pick up the GTO. Callum just pinged me to say that he's finished spraying. I left him to finish the spray. We're in Sarah with the master.
Master friends.
Go get some shots for it when it's done. Safe.
It's good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one.